Welcome to Dahua AIoT Network World. Here you can access an integrated, quick, efficient, and secure network solution that combines CCTV and IT networks. All in cloud. Make your business easier. Setting up your network is easy and can be done quickly. Dahua Cloud Network Solution provides multiple options for you to rapidly implement your network in do-link care, with all products displayed in the topology automatically. Dahua Cloud Network Solution integrates CCTV with the IT network together to provide a unified network solution for you. When you are not around the device, you can remotely view the device status and modify the configuration. Dahua Cloud Network Solution provides high-efficiency maintenance to protect the health of your device. This is the data dashboard, where all the data you care about is included. There are real-time alerts if any emergencies arise. It also supports one click to check all devices on your site and provides professional guidance for troubleshooting. Installer can deliver the device to end user and accept the entrusting device from end user. We cover safety issues that concern you the most. Each device has a unique encryption key to access do-link care. During the transmission process, we use multiple encryption protocols. As you can see, Dahua is able to provide an integrated, quick, efficient, and secure network solution. Now, are you ready to enter Dahua AIoT Network World?